Hell yeah. What's up, guys? Holy shit. Wanna have fun. Okay. No. Oh. Stop. There we go. Okay. We're live on TikTok. We're live on YouTube. We're live. Oh, I gotta go remember to monetize it. Hey, guys. Who's that? Is that Mike? That's weird. Hey, guys. Be right with you. Just had to come back on. I was just telling Bree, this is getting out of hand now. This is just out of hand. Okay, let me tell you what I'm talking about. Go. All right, welcome TikTok, welcome YouTube, welcome everybody. Hope you all had a great day. Good evening, or whatever you guys are at. Third time today. Third time's the charm. What's up, D Nice? You're allowing me to do this actually. D Nice is Donald, right? Yeah. Good evening, LT. Good evening, Scott Upshaw. Good evening, Dr. Matt Bagler. Fourth time today. Oh fuck. Has it been? Oh heck. Has it been 4 times today, Dr. Matt? I thought it was. What's up, Stephen Dunlap? What's up, Sandro? I'm in so damn good, y'all. This is crazy. Wayne Bob Simple. Good evening, Wayne Bob. Good evening, OG. Good evening, Jordan High. Good evening, Apollonia. Good evening, Tassie. Good evening, G Man. Good evening. Hey, T. 6 Tibor. What's up, Tibor? Oh, it's the people. Your order is complete. So, all right, let's get rid of that. All right, and then nice. Good evening, LT. Nope, hand. We're getting back what they took from us. Annie Landley. Good evening, Annie Lowland. Sorry. Good evening, Shannon Ivory. Good evening, Pedos. Good evening, Tibor. Good evening, Taz. Good evening, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Thumbs up on YouTube, I would appreciate. Let's go over. Let me go over exactly what I left you guys in, and exactly how incredibly accurate it was. I what to tell you guys. 1 minute buy stop all 3. I prefer it on all 3 to go down to the red 5-minute line and then buy stop. Follow any 1-minute sell stops down. Okay, I'm Todd's horn because I can't possibly make as good as call as what you're seeing the last month or 2. This is insane. This is insane. I let you here, told you buy stops, which it did. It went up a lot more after that on several of these. Then it came down, and you were told to play the down, and then the 5-minute buy stop now. Exactly like I wrote out. I don't I'm gonna go back and play the video if you like. And I don't usually go around whatever bragging or something. I'm giving God all the credit and the system all the credit. I am telling you, this is to the point of getting scared. This is getting to the point of canny accuracy. I'm calling out the trades as they're happening, before they're happening, and as they're going to happen. I don't think my microphone wasn't a good spot. Hopefully you guys can hear me better now. I don't think it can get better than what you're seeing. I do not see how it's possible. Do not take for granted what you're seeing. I lost for 5.5, 6 years, and now I'm calling out trades. I'm writing them out. 1-minute buy stop, it all went up. Prefer to go down to the 3, all 3 of them down to the 5-minute red line, which they did right here. All 3 is US 30, NAS, and SPX, and then a buy, which they did. This turned into a buy stop, and that's what's happening. Is anyone at all out there beyond impressed? Anyone at all? Anyone at all? No sound. Really? Can you go on TikTok, Precious? Let's see if we have sound. No sound. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah, there is sound. We have sound. I don't know what the hell's going on TikTok. Overly impressive, Rainbow. Why would there be no sound on TikTok? I can close it. There's only 10 people there. Oh, should be full sound. No, I'll go off TikTok. I'll come back on TikTok. For That's weird. Hey, I didn't get banned on TikTok. I can't TikTok again. I say that every time I'm done now. Can you check it again? 3, 2, 1, sex, please. That's why it wouldn't have sound like that. All right. I mean, been watching you for 3 months and still is still impressive. It seems like, and I didn't even know it was humanly possible. I'm being better. I didn't even think it was possible. Hi, everyone. What's up, Shannon? What's up, health, family, wealth? Happy birthday to you tomorrow, pre-birthday. Happy pre-birthday to you. Happy pre-birthday. Fuck, really? Why is there no sound on my TikTok? Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, there's more than one way to get to this solution. What do you use? What do you use? Oh, the hell, we're doing it that way. We're going to cancel that. Okay, I'll put my pick on the Give me a second, guys. Kind of messing up my mojo over here with this stupid TikTok thing. Okay, good. Let's get rid of that. Next. And if you could just check one more time to see if here we go. And 3, 2, put it works. Testing on TikTok. Can you hear me on TikTok? Testing, 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 testing. Still nothing? That's well, they're gonna have to learn. Okay, because that's a whole new fucking that's a brand new iPhone. If we don't have sound on a brand new iPhone, there's another issue going on in life. All right, guys. So wherever I was, thank you, Precious. And Precious is joining us tonight. She's doing all kinds of emails. We're busy right now. All right. Getting back to tooting my own horn, which I'm not. I am not bragging. I'm giving God all the glory, all the credit for helping me create this system. I'm telling you, I don't know. I hope you guys are appreciating what you're seeing. The system, tell me that the system isn't working. You mean you might as well just go home. Oh, 3 times for being live. I was counting how I watched your blue line training. Nice, Dr. Matt. I have learned so much. My mind is blown since even overly impressed. Yeah, we are impressed. I mean impressed. You guys should be listening to the calls. Watching you for 3 months. Hello, family. What's up, Metal Mom? Hey, Kev, question. But my question, hey, Kevin, last live, I believe you mentioned possibly taking interest in that you tried to grandfather this in. Is that possible? I'm scared to lose system before I master it. Yeah, I didn't say BlackRock. I said another brokerage house. And yes, I told you at that time I will accidentally start a code that has 10 years of indicators in that if that ever happens, if they don't honor grandfather you guys in. But I'm not done yet. Okay. Heck yes, going to make that birthday money. Thank you. You're welcome. Well, I'll wish you a happy birthday tomorrow too. Okay. So let me just be clear. Why isn't it showing up on there? All right. Maybe it's because of the storm. Might have knocked some things loose or some shit. I don't know. Oh well. And there's nothing there on TikTok. Really? All right. So let's go back to this. This is what I left you guys at the purple line. Let's go back and look and see what it did. This is where it was from the purple line. Oh, I got to unhook it right here. You can see clearly from the purple line it went up. 50, 60 pips, that's all. And then you were told to play any sell stops on the way down. Well, I don't know what that is to you, but this right here is a sell stop. So, not a lot, that's only about another 20 pips. And then you're the 5-minute buy stop after it formed. And there's your buy stop right there, and you're in the money on all 3. I don't know, it's scary, and I honest to God, am not an alien, I'm not a time traveler, I'm kinda fun around with that. And no, I haven't done anything weird. It's just it's what it does. This is not just for US 30, as this is for SPX. These are buy stops, 5-minute lines, then buy stop. Follow any 1-minute sell stop on the way down. I I'm gonna keep going over that. Good evening, Jacob. Good evening, bootlegger. But you really guys, you're seeing something that is beyond, normal, beyond the average. I mean, literally for 5.5, 6 years, I couldn't even call the trade right the second it's happening. And now I'm calling trade. I mean, this is just sickening. I don't know, 30 minutes, 2, 3, 4 hours, 2. That might be like, I don't know, in the last 4 hours. I'm not gonna keep tooting my own horn, but when you guys see these calls at the end of the day when I'm or end of my, sessions, you might wanna follow 'em. Try to follow 'em the best you can. They seem to be scarily accurate. Scarily accurate. Is that a word? It's fucking crazy. Just thought I'd help you. Now on TikTok, I don't think we even have oh, they're so weird. So I haven't been banned from TikTok, I don't think. Try again. Let's try one more time. Let's see if we can get a video with it. TikTok. Oh, Lord, we didn't have to get the people from there. Let's see if it'll draw through an actual picture this time. So I think there was a few hundred, and at the end we had 100 or 80 or 90. Um, oh, there we go. There's actually a picture on TikTok. Oh boy. Okay. All right. So what's up, Yago Maz Andrews? But I think you were trying to say really accurate, scarily accurate, eerily accurate. I think they both work. Not sure what scarily is, says Dr. Matt. I make up words all the time, like shit ton, fuck ton. Oops, I should try to clean that up. Yes, it's crazy how accurate. Crazy. What's up, Soulful? Crazy how accurate. I can't even call anything their buy stops, but I can't call it. I mean, you're in the trades at this point or you're not. Look at it. Oh, okay. Well, enough of that, I guess, but I'm telling you, I've been in this business for 9 years. I've never seen anything like this, including by myself, be this accurate. It's crazy. Yes, I make trades. Yes, I call them out ahead of time, but I'm literally writing out what it's gonna do. Like last night I said, "Oh, it's gonna go, down and back up. It's gonna arch up to the 15, 30-minute and drop down," which it did right before the news. Then, of course, there was the 1-hour, 4-hour buy stops in place, which, of course, basically made a shit ton of money on those today, and that's what it just did. And then this one that I left you with in the last video is a 1-minute buy stop, all 3, which it did, and then I prefer it, so I said I want it to go down to the 5-minute red line, then a buy stop, which you're in, which is currently happening to all of you. These are your 5-minute buy stuff if you're not familiar with that. Alright, I'm done. I'll pull them off to the side. I'll get ready for my next group. That was I might even use this as my actual, uh, welcome meeting to everybody because that was crazy good. Oh, I don't even know this 1-hour sell stop still out. I'll look at that though for you guys. Let me see NAS real quick and see. It's a broken one, no. No, it turned into 5. Do that. Alright, so let's go over today. Today we had a 30-minute fill in 1 hour fill in the gap. No, I'm sorry. Today we had a 1 buy stop in US 30. We got in at this point today right here, which is the most pips you can possibly make. At one point up 470 pips on one US 30 trade. How do I know it? Because we're still in it, and we're up $3,630 today. Let me move this really quick. I wanna show you from the blue up is what is accurate from today. I also have a trade open on, US 30 right here from 329. I have a trade open. I have to shrink it so far. I have a trade open right here that is up 16 almost 1,600 pips. It's been open over 2 weeks on a buy stop. 1,600 pips on one trade, 1,600 pips on one entry. That trade is now right here at 329. That trade is up $12,000 for me. 12,100, yeah. The trade above that is up from 3 days ago, that's up $5,000. All the, lines from all the trades from the blue line up are from today. These are all from today, all 0.9 lot sizes. I don't wanna tell you, it's all good, man. That's on the Sharp family. That's on me. So people on TikTok, if you have any questions, you can speak up Juror, Star, and FX Plans. Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, FX Plans? Alright. Jason says, "I have no idea." I hope those are kind words. Thank you. Good evening. Good evening, bootlegger. Good evening. Guys. Sorry, family, that's on me. D-Nice, what's D-Nice apologizing for? D-Nice, I don't think you did anything wrong, did you? Make sure you hit the like button. Sandra says, "Mind blown." Okay, I just wanna make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay. Alright. Beautiful trades. I mean, ah, just amazing. Okay, I'm gonna whip through, about a dozen different trades right now. Have fun with them all you want. You already know I'm not even calling out. I will at the very end, I guess, minus 30 and all that, but this is just money. I don't even know what to tell you. It's still in the gap now about that, and you're gonna make even more money, but whatever. NAS 2, fill in the gap, buy stop. SPX, fill in the stop, buy stop. I wish it would just drop, though. We need a drop, but anyway, gold. I wouldn't touch gold all day, and I don't think I'm gonna be touching again. That's a 5-minute buy stop. 15-minute fill in the gap. 30 minutes gonna keep going up. 30-minute gold, 30-minute gold, 4 hour, daily, weekly. Nothing to call. I can't call gold other than that 5-minute buy stop, and it's too late. So there's nothing to call on gold. If I had to gather a guess, gold's gonna come back down to its 5-minute line eventually. It's gonna come down, but I'm not convinced. Bitcoin, 100% active. Look at this. What is this trade, everybody that's new or has experience? What is this trade right inside of here on Bitcoin? Anyone or everyone? What is this trade right here? Is it a buy stop or is it a sell stop? I'll wait. A buy stop or is this a sell stop? No rush. Take your time. No rush. Do. Shannon says buy stop. Techman says buy stop. Congratulations. D Nice says buy stop. Correct. FX here. Not don't know if you guys know even what it is. Buy stop says Snoots 55. Correct. Snoots 555. Correct. Green Bob. Correct. David. A little red. You know what's that? What makes it? Robel. Buy stop. Metal Mine. Buy. Hey, Kevin, listen, I'm driving home. Oh, you can't see? It's a buy stop, FX plant. It's a buy stop. I can zoom this in a little bit for you so you can see it full clear. It's obvious. This is a buy stop on 1 minute. You put it on the line, you have green, 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 red, green, and bingo, there's your money. Oh, it's so beautiful. These trades are just gorgeous. Now let's take a look what the 5 minutes doing right here. Let me move this off for a second. nothing, it's too late, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute fill in the gap, and it went up. Gee, 1 hour over here. This 1 hour was called out for so you can get in Bitcoin 20,000 to 30,700, which you could have made on the last one. There's a 4 hour I called out for I called out this 4 hour 3-3. So since 3-3, it's been over a month. I've been calling for a buy stop. There it goes up. Here's your daily, kind of ridiculous, but watch this. Look where it's going towards. Look how high Bitcoin's gonna go. I called this out on January the 11th. Bitcoin can hit $39,000 or more. Bitcoin probably almost assuredly will hit $36,000 or more. It's not for sure, the thing in Forex for sure, but there's a damn good shot it's going there. And let me show you the last time this occurs so you can see ERUSD, which, by the way, I will claim 100% total victory on. It has hit or come close enough since I've been calling this for over 16 days for it to go up, and now it's gone up, gone to the blue line, netting you over 350 pips on ERUSD. Means we have victory that's close enough, horseshoes and hand grenades and all that. And look, to know that the system is 100% accurate in what it does, there's a buy stop, and here is a sell stop on USD Chef. So this is the opposites, always on a higher time frame. The buy stop to the blue line, and you made it there. If anyone would have listened to me on ERUSD over the last 20, 30 days, you'd have made money because it went up and touched this blue line. That is exactly what Bitcoin is going to be doing. It's going to go up and come very close slash touch this blue line. You heard it here first back in January the 11th. Now, after that, Bitcoin is a weekly sell stop. Sorry, guys. And then after that, it is a monthly buy stop. It may skip the weekly, might go right monthly. You might see Bitcoin over 70,000 again very soon. I'm just calling it to where it's going to be. It's going to go there. And that's what you got first. Okay. Now, how do I know that? Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum already touched its daily. And look where it's going. It keeps going up. So let's look at Ethereum. 1 minute, high stop, 5 minute. Look at these. If you guys have to be able to see simple trades. This is a simple trade on Ethereum. It is a buy stop trade. You literally can't miss these. These are 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute. Look at the money you could have made on Ethereum. If you didn't like that, it's a 15-minute fill in the gap. If you didn't like that as a 30-minute gap. You didn't like that as a 1 hour back here. Look at how much money you would have from 1900 to 2100. Are you kidding? Buy stop per hour. It's the same chart, by the way. Bitcoin, Ethereum and Bitcoin are exactly the same on higher time frames. Sell stop, clear and utter sell stop weekly Ethereum, monthly buy. So you're going to see it go up till Bitcoin touches this blue line, and then they'll probably both come tumbling down. XRP, love XRP. Yes, touch this blue line, another correct call. All correct calls, but another to the blue line, correct call, and it's not going up. Not going up. So XRP, buy stop fill in the gaps too late, 5 minute too late, 15 minute. These were all called out 1 hour. Oh my gosh, look at 4 hour. Buy stop buy, and it's not done. It's just getting started. 4 hours to blue line higher. Weekly sell stop XRP, monthly buy stop XRP. That's how XRP is going to play out. Well, 1 minute. What the? What is this? This is what is it? It's a 1 minute buy stop on oil. You can't miss it. 5 minute sell stop on oil. 5 minute sell stop on oil. 1 hour buy stop on oil. Just play the 1 hour. Look, it already went up and touched this blue line. By the way, I told you it was gonna do that days ago. 1 hour, 4 hour, for a daily sell stop, weekly and monthly buy stop. So that's oil. I'm gonna go ahead and stop its ERUSD. 1 minute, unless you guys want me to look at something. Buy stop ERUSD. 5 minute buy stop ERUSD. Fill in the gap. You're a little late, it looks like on this. It's up a little more. 1 hour fill in the gap. Nope, a lot more. And then this is a 4 hour buy. I told you, look at your daily. Do you not see I don't tell you. Mm. Well, I did call this trade out for February the 14th, no, February the 18th was the first time I called this trade. Yep, right there. Yep, right there. 216, well, whatever. February the 16th, February the 18th, called it, buy stop, you'd have got in and you'd be up, I don't know, 3, 400. Yes, I called it. Weekly, this is what your great reset looks like. This is exactly that's ERUSD and this is GBP/USD. They look the same because they are. They're about to drop us. They're gonna let it go up further to the blue line a little bit more, and then they're gonna implode the dollar. Well, ERUSD, GBP/USD, they're gonna implode it. It's gonna drop. They're gonna bring in the digital dollar, I'm assuming, out of every crisis, they come up with a solution they already have, and then we'll all be liking the fact that we're on a digital dollar, I guess, whatever. This is a weekly, monthly sell stop. So that's ERUSD. Wow, just wow. Alright. No Fibonacci, green red bicep doesn't mean he's in that. Yes, Scott, no Fibonacci is needed, that's correct. I'm surprised you know how to spell that word, you must have spelled it wrong. No, I was determined to be the fifth queen. No, yeah, Fibonacci is silly. I don't wanna get into that. What's up, Jamie? You can't check out Medicaid, it's too small. What's up, Kevin? Yes, what's up, Jamie? Yes, I can look at Tesla, absolutely, Tesla for you. Anything else you guys want me to look at? I'm not gonna stay on long. I was just coming on here to document trades that were written out, typed out for you guys that came out exactly 1 minute, nothing. 1 minute, 5 minutes to the buy stop. It's gonna go up to the blue line on the 5-minute line. If you don't know what it is, buy it. Buy the system and learn. 30-minute sell stop. 30-minute sell stop, 1 hour, 30-minute sell stop. 4-hour buy stop. So depending on whatever you like to trade, if you're comfortable with 5-minute trades, do the 5-minute charts. If you like 1-hour charts. 4 hour, daily, 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 weekly, daily, daily. Hold on. Sell stop. Daily, weekly sell, monthly buy, monthly buy. So Tesla is very easy to read. It just reads like all the rest of them. If you can't see, this is a sell stop on the 30-minute. I don't know how to help, and this is a buy, and this is a thing. So that's fine. 1-minute buys. Yeah, it's gonna go up and touch this blue line right here, and then it's gonna come back down again. Probably go a little over the actually, and come back down. That's Tesla. All right. I'm gonna head over to GBP, JPY. Sure, let's look at GBP. I've been calling that thing out like left and right. Currently, buy stop to the blue line, 5-minute sell stop to its blue line. I would take that one over the whatever you wanna do. 50-minute nothingness, 30-minute nothingness, 1-hour buy, 1-hour buy, 1-hour, 4-hour buy, much stronger on the 1 hour, 4 hours. 1-hour, 4-hour buy, GBP, JPY, nothingness, weekly buy. It's forming a monthly sell, but those are so long, it's ridiculous. So that's what it's gonna do. That's your GBBJ. You're welcome, Yar, and thank you for saying thank you for saying thank you, Yar, I appreciate that. Alright, anything else on TikTok? I'm heading over to YouTube, I'm gonna make some final call outs for US 30 NAS and SPX. The last time I did the the call out for US 30 and NAS and SPX, I mean, I give God all the credit, but it literally went then it went down to the 5-minute, and we're currently in a buy stop. So I don't know what to say to you guys. The last time I've called this, like, it's been scary accurate, and I'm gonna go over to YouTube right now, and I'm gonna make those calls. Alright? How to join your group. You buy this you can't get in the Discord, no one can get in the Discord unless you buy. If you buy the system right here, you can get in. I don't care if you do or don't. It doesn't matter to me, so don't you still I don't give a F. I don't. I'm trying to help you all learn how to trade. I'm telling you right now, I tried the Fibonacci and Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci comes from nature. The patterns in on leaves is what they apply to our financial they're just nuts. Naming of candles is the silliest thing I've heard. Even when I was doing it for years, I never used the naming of candles was the silliest thing I ever heard in my life. And by the way, 99% of all that fails with volume and VWAP. And it isn't me saying that, Google it. Google is your best friend. safetrade.com is where you head to, buy the system, $575 a year. Again, do or don't. That's up to you. Matter of fact, if you can't also put in directions, it's not gonna help you out. I don't wanna. By the way, one last little thought for you is we have a scanner. We have a scanner. We have a room for indices, gold, silver, platinum, and all indices. We have a Forex room, covers all your, majors and crosses Forex. Over 100 symbols. This thing, if you want to copy trade, people says, I want to copy trade. Help out dear friends and family. No one else gets to copy trade, but you have the next best thing. And it trades just like I would never there's a crypto room, trade all the major cryptos. It's never been wrong since January 5th, and I'm making a video on it to document the fact that it's never been wrong. It's January the 5th when it went live, it's never been wrong, 1 hour, Bitcoin. And then, of course, the stocks. There's a stock room with all the major stocks. Can't chart any little stuff on, like, um, all your little altcoins, stuff like that, can't do it. You're welcome. Okay, guys, out of here on TikTok, getting over to YouTube. Dip-diddy-doo-dah, zippity, yeah. That was kind of a that's okay. Got it, dot, dot. All right, anyone on YouTube have any questions? Anyone on YouTube have any concerns? I'm down 24,000, only 400 left. Oh, I hope that then. Poor fellow. Yep. Welcome to the club, bro. Just waiting for NAS to get more in profit so I can adjust my stop before bed. Jeremy Lowe, come people, what? Give this man thumbs up. He's awesome. He's taking his time to make his money. Thank you for that, Jeremy. Yeah. The ones that aren't are the scammers. That's all. I don't mind them stealing. That's fine. If they're that pitiful that they need to steal this, I kind of feel the way. It doesn't stop me from suing them. I do feel sorry for them. They should just steal my signals like everyone else does. Save up your money and buy the system. But whatever. All right. Fibonacci. Okay. We're all good on everything on YouTube. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the charts, but I can already tell you this. Buy stop 1 minute. Um, uh, let me make sure on this. US 30, buy stop 1 minute NAS, buy stop 1 minute SPX. Now let's go from there. I think that's just too far away. Yeah, yeah. Where's our blue line at? Unfortunately, I don't think those buy stops are going to come in handy. I think it's going to. Let me rewrite these now for us. Hold on. So we're looking at a 1 minute buy stop, all three, which are NAS, SPX, US 30. And then, but I still tell you they're too far away from their minute lines. So I'm going to call, even though it's not official and it's not even here. You can stay in the buy stops. You can play your buy stops. You've already been in the buy stops. You've made literally thousands of dollars on your buy stops. Let's go ahead and get something clear. It is going to come down to their 5 minute line. Well, can it come down to the 5 minute lines? Let me see before I get mistaken. Oh, 15 minute. Yeah, it's not a pullback. So it's going to pull back. So you guys can money on the way down. I sure hope we get this right. So you can stay in your 1 minute buy stops, not telling you not to. Don't stay in. This is a buy stop happening, but I believe you're going to see play. Let me be specific. Play the 1 minute sell stops to their blue lines. It'll happen. I'll be sleeping. It might happen around 3:30 when they open up what's their faces over there in Britain's market, right? But it's going to happen. It might happen now, quite frankly. It might start forming these things now and going down. It's entirely too far away uh, from the uh, blue lines on their 1 minute. Entirely too far away. So just going by sheer saying it has to do it. No other choice. Now, well, how far it will go? I believe we already had a 5 minute. I believe you're gonna see a 15 minute. It's gonna come all the way down to here to be specific. So it's gonna come down to here on the 30 minute, probably 15 minutes past that to the 30. That's right. All right, so you're gonna do the buys. Take any buy stop that engages and goes up, take it. Let me be clear. You're going to take the buys. You're in a buy, stay in the buy, or take a buy. I know one of the guys wrote me an email wasting his time and mine because he wasn't paying attention to what I'm saying. You're in a buy. I'm in multiple buys. Look down here. I'm in multiple buy stops. Look. So I'm not saying to get out of those. Well, you take it where it is. And you just find a second. I'm telling you that if another buyout forms, to take it. Okay? Now, after that, you will see sell stops form. Henceforth, the 1 minute sell stops to their blue lines aren't active now, but they will be in an hour or two. Hopefully, I'm clear on that. Okay? Now let me back and see if I can make some actual any other calls for you know. Fill in the gap, 15-minute buy stop, 30-minute buy stop, fill in the gap, 1 hour, nothing. Fill in the gap already completed on the 4 hour. The daily is useless to us right now. Weekly, nothing. Monthly, it's a buy. So there's really nothing I can call on these chart on the longer term charts. Well, damn that. Hold on, let me see NAS 1 hour. No, it's already in the already it's in a buy, fill in the gap daily. It's in a buy weekly. Let me see this. It's a buy monthly. It is a weekly sell stop. Let me see something. Nope, can't call it. NAS is a weekly. And so NAS, I'm gonna set this out here for you guys. No one's ever gonna play it. It's entirely too long. The reality is NAS and SPX, which to me means all are weekly sell stops. But that's way down the road. That's I mean, whatever. We don't have 100 different, 1 minutes to do on those. All right. So that's what you got. You play the 1 minute buy stops as they form. You wait for the 1 minute sell stops to occur, because they will, and they're gonna go to their blue lines. Now, whether that happens in the middle of the night, whether it happens in an hour, whether it happens 9:30 tomorrow morning, that is going to happen. Take it to the bank, okay? So that's it. Yes, it's clear. D nice. Didn't call any names there, D nice. Don't tell on yourself. All right. So there you go. Everybody else okay? 49 of you watching, 33 likes. That means there's six people that are too lazy to push a thumbs up button. For somebody that helps them make thousands of tips a day, I hope that eats away at you and eventually you do the right thing and give a thumbs up every time you come in. Even if scamming, even if you're stealing the signals, I don't care. Still give a thumbs up. At least your karma is not going to be horrible for when I come after and sue you for $5,750 every what do you say? Can't wait to get what's her name? Heather out of Chicago. It's coming. Anyway, I take my charge. It's D Nice. No, you're a great guy, D Nice. Don't worry about it. It has to happen. But yeah, it's gonna climb a little bit more back. All right. All right, guys. Nothing. Me and Bree are out of here. Matter of fact, Bree's probably already getting a little food. All right. Love you guys. I do. I care about you guys a lot. Hope you guys have a great night. See you in the morning. What a fabulous day. Fantastic day. Fantastic trading day. I hope you all make tons of money. Cool. Happy birthday again to you, health and wealth, and I hope you have a blessed day tomorrow. Lots of fun and great memories with your family. Yes, I actually slept last night, Patrick, 6.5 hours. Good night, Shannon. Thank you, Shannon. You're welcome. All right, bye. Bye, guys.